Welcome to the Flavor of the Month, brought to you by the Dutchess County Regional Chamber of Commerce. I'm Frank Costella Jr., President and CEO of the Dutchess County Regional Chamber of Commerce, and our Flavor of the Month this month is Peter Newman of Naches, Coney Island. Peter, thank you for coming in and joining us here and for being our Flavor of the Month this month.
Glad to be here, thank you.
So tell us, what's the history of Naches, Coney Island?
Well, it's been around for about 9 years, established with a family, and they decided that they need to move on in life and retire. So they decided, I came in and purchased and ready to move and to keep that family tradition and to serve that same quality cuisine and flavor that they've always had.
So this is a pretty new business for you.
Absolutely.
But it's not a new industry for you. What's your background in history?
I've been in this industry all my career. Graduate of culinary, Johnson Wales, and I've been in all sectors of this industry, from catering to managing small operations to casinos to hotels, small pops restaurants, and finally executive chef. And now I'm into my own environment, and I'm comfortable to have my own establishment.
So a culinary background, why hot dogs?
It's comfort food. People love hot dogs. It's been something that, you try to stay with the trends, and seeing that it was established, it was the thing I saw that was the best thing to stick with.
I was in earlier in the week and visited with you, had lunch, and I was just amazed at the different things that you can do with a hot dog, especially from a culinary perspective. Simple things that you can add to them that I would never think to put on a hot dog, and there's some of your specials and your signatures. What are some of those signatures?
Well, my favorite is to be the Tennessee Buffalo. And it's Jack Daniels with hot sauce and blue cheese on the hot dog. Of course, we have the traditional with chili and cheese sauce. We created some new ones. We have what I call the VV&V. It's a vegetarian vegan, and it's a hot dog, vegetarian hot dog wrapped in lettuce, tomatoes, onions. We have what I call the Boston Pete. I'm trying to integrate cultures, not just cultures, but just regions within. So we got the Boston, where I'm from, proudly to say. So I have the Boston baked beans right on top of that hot dog. We then have a breakfast dog, which is new. Bacon, egg, and a hot dog on a roll, created by my son, I have to say. Proud of him to think of that.
All right, so, being in the industry your entire life, did you ever think you'd be here?
In this industry, you sometimes have to go where it takes you. We all have a goal as a chef or in this industry that you want to be somewhere. And sometimes it takes that bit of time to get there. And I finally found something that's I'm comfortable with. You have to find that comfort zone within yourself as a chef or within this industry, and I felt that this is the right place, the right time.
While it's Naches Coney Island hot dogs, you do have a lot of other stuff on your menu. It's not all about the hot dogs, although that's your signature. What other types of things do you offer? We
have fresh ground beef Angus burgers. We have our famous Inside Out burger, and you can put bacon and blue cheese into it. And we, of course, have the nice toppings of avocado with pepper jack cheese, or we'll do the chili and cheese burger. Salads are all fresh made. And our biggest hit also is going to the gyro, fresh, right on the calves, right from the gyro meat. We then make a fresh tzatziki sauce that goes with that, and people love that tzatziki sauce. They'll put it on almost everything, even the quesadilla if they want a breakfast quesadilla, because we do our breakfast. And we're expanding our breakfast menu as well. We're open 7 to 7 to give that breakfast feel. We're going to introduce a grits, sausage and grits with biscuits and gravy with grits. Southern style, exactly. We're doing French toast, and I have my own little twist to the French toast. It's a little orange batter flavor. People tend to be flocking to that and enjoying that. I have customers that will be sitting here, you gotta try the French toast. It's incredible.
So you're bringing Peter Newman's flavor to Naches Coney Island. You're diversifying a little bit away from the hot dogs. You're adding breakfast, opening the restaurant now from 7 to 7, which is completely new. Convenient location. I think folks are very familiar with the brand. Noshi's has been there, as you said, for 9 years, but it's right in the heart of Raymond, in the Raymond district, over by Vassar College on Main Street, in the town of Poughkeepsie, actually, right on the city line there. Convenient location. What's the address?
803 Main Street.
803 Main Street. Do you have a website?
We're working on the website, but we have Facebook, which is Noshi's Coney Island PK. We're on Twitter, we're on Facebook, and we're on Yelp. And I'm working with Yelp to do some online ordering. So we're trying to get a little bit more high tech in such a small place. So we're working with that as well. So you can
call ahead order?
You can call ahead and order, absolutely.
Or dine in, because you have a great spot in there to dine in. It's very comfortable, cozy. Well, it's an adorable place. The place is done beautifully. A lot of nostalgia on the walls. You know, is this something that is a family business? Is your entire family involved?
My family is involved, and that's where it always has been a family involvement in the past. Family, and I've continued with that. And you know, when David, the past owner, was ready to move on in his life, he saw that that was the passion, was family, was involvement.
A true Poughkeepsie tradition. Noshi's Coney Island. Peter Newman, thank you so much for coming in and visiting with us here on the Flavor of the Month. We appreciate you being here, and we appreciate our viewers for tuning in. Thanks for being here on the Flavor of the Month.